really, really luxurious, you guys. When I tell you this comforter set is so soft and so cozy. Hey Foxx Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be giving my upstairs guest bedroom a little fall makeover or refresh. I'm going to be switching out the comforter and the duvet that's currently on the bed with this really pretty like furry comforter set that I found at TJ Maxx. I think I paid like $79.99 for it, but it looks super plush and it is so soft, and anyone that sleeps in that bed is going to be super comfortable. And then I also ordered a coverlet from Macy's, a silver coverlet, because the color scheme in my guest bedroom upstairs is gold, silver, and like white, and then it's just like natural wood tones in there as well. So yeah, I am going to be cleaning it up a little bit, refreshing the linen and things on it, and then just getting it ready for a guest. So let's get into it. But before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on, sis. Come on, bruh. Hit that button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. Become part of the Foxx Squad. Let's connect, all right? And leave me a comment. And don't forget to share with your family, friends, cousins, girlfriends, boyfriends, whoever. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video, and then I will talk to you guys later. decide how I wanted the pillows arranged on the bed, so I kept rearranging them until they were finally in a position that I was somewhat satisfied with. This comforter is so soft and cozy, perfect for the fall and the winter time. I wish you could feel it. So if you live near a TJ Maxx or it's not too far, you should go check it out. They also have this in gray, but I didn't want to add a gray on top of gray, so I went with the off-white or cream color, because it sort of goes with the gold that's in here. And the reason that I have gold and silver is because of the picture up above is gray, white, gold, and like a silverish color. And so that's why I have the silver and gold pillows. These, when I ordered them, I thought they were the same, like champagne gold color, but they're a little lighter. And all of the pillows are from Z Gallery. This coverlet is from Macy's, as I showed you. And then this, of course, I said is from TJ Maxx. But you guys, oh, I wish you could feel it. It feels so, so nice. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your evening.